What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I just locked in my futures trade that I had on Friday, guys. A little bit over $5,000 in profit. We did have that gap down coming off of the news. What's going on. And with that news, we had about a 30-40 point gap down. So I just went ahead and took my profits on this trade. At the peak, guys, I was up over $8,000. So locking in 5,000 still decent, but I definitely wish that I could have held this one a little bit longer. But that being said, I'm really happy to share this with you. I want to walk you through the setup. We'll do a market outlook and talk about the seminar coming up as well as a giveaway. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right. Hit me with the one if you can hear me loud and clear. Let's do some shout outs. Candace, Anthony, Wesley, Dr. D, Bill, Trading Wars Army. What's going on? Dolly, Johnny, Ron, A, Deepak, J Villa, CJ, Mikey. What's going on? Trading Wars Army. All right. Okay. So Sid, what's going on? Hit me with the one if you guys can hear me okay. All right. Let's do this. So let's start off here before we do the market outlook. Let's go ahead and recap this trade, $5,000 in profit. And the trade is officially closed. All right. So let's go ahead and walk through it now and just discuss the setup and the dragon. Okay, so here we go. So this was my actual entry and my stop loss. So I'm going to leave that here. I'm just going to go ahead and move the P&L to the side over here. And then let's go through this. All right. So first thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go to the Fibonacci Society. So in the Fibonacci Society, you can see this is our new community, lifetime access, where I've been doing voice notes and showing these trades. These are very powerful trades, guys. Dragon patterns, something that I'm really working towards leveling up myself on. All right. So all the alerts are in here, and let's go ahead and start off with the concept. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off on Sunday. Okay. So this is Sunday of last week. You could see we had gapped up slightly and then we started to sell off. Same thing in this situation here. There is a gap. Here's our Sunday, and it's a gap down in this case. So this one obviously is based on news. So it's a lot different than the gap down last week. So let's go ahead and let's start off with the Sunday. Okay. So let's go ahead and really try to develop these dragons, these Fibonacci's, these harmonics. So on Sunday, you could see we went sideways for a while and we finally got a real push on Monday. Okay. So here was that real push down on Monday right there, guys. The first Fibonacci play of the week, if I take my Fibonacci from high to low right here, guys, was at 618 right there. Unfortunately, I did not take this short, and I kind of kicking myself on that because instead of taking this short, I went to the previous swing low and I took this long right here. Okay. So the good thing is with this long, you could see I got in here and we popped up. So there, we were all the way up here at one point on this trade. So that was about 1-to-1 risk reward. I put the stop loss to break even and I got out for break even on that. But that being said, I ended up missing the short. Okay. So sometimes you're going to be in one side of the trade and you might miss the other. So what do you do in that situation, guys? You just reset. So I took a reset. Okay. And I waited and we started to trend down here. So this was Wednesday. And going into the end of the week right here, the first Fibonacci play that I saw, if I come off of this Wednesday low and move up to this high, you can see the pullback to the 618. Let me put on the full extension here. And then you can see we went to the targets. So what I did right there, guys, is I took our Fibonacci from low to high right there. Boom. All right. Put back on the basic here. And I ended up going long on this 618 and had a great pop. Okay. And as soon as we popped up here on the 618, I moved my stop loss to break even. And then overnight, you can see this is at 7 a.m. They hunted my stop loss out. So far, no profits on the week. So what do we do in this situation? So this is a common question I get asked a lot. So what do we do here if we get poked out or break even? So what can we do here, guys? Can we move on? Do we just stop trading? What do we do? What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat. So I'll tell you what I did. So what I did instead, guys, is I re-entered. So this is my exact entry right here. I re-entered at 4261.75 when we started to turn green. Okay. I re-entered. I had my stop loss below this candle wick and we started to shoot up like crazy. Okay. And I'm just going to go back to the Discord to show you guys. So this was my voice note, and then this was me in the morning. I have some gains for the last trade to risk today. I'm going to re-enter the bullish dragon here. Worst case, I will lose half an hour. All right. So I was coming in with $416 in profits because one of the trades that we got out, I did trail a little bit. So I did make a little bit of money, but I was willing to risk this gains on the last trade of the week, right? So here we go, guys. We turned in here. I got in long and it never looked back. So from there, I had my stop loss below this candle right here, okay? And look what happened, guys. So there's my stop loss below the candle, the market gap below my stop. So as soon as the market opened here, I got filled. And luckily for me, I was still in profit. So it filled me at $5,000 in profit. But this is the reality of trading that I also wanted to share with you guys, is a lot of times there is different news events or manipulation, whatever you want to call it, that happens outside of regular trading hours. The good thing is this: with futures, it's at 6 o'clock today, I was able to get out. So if the market wants to continue to sell off heavily, by 9:30 a.m., I'll already be out. And that's a major benefit of trading futures, is at least I have a little bit of extra edge to get in and deal with the position and manage the position before the regular trading hours comes back on Monday. All right, so hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. All right, guys, so that was the trade right there, my friends. So that one trade made my whole week $5,000 locked in, and I'm going to try to rerun it back again this week. So let me go ahead and let me draw what I have planned out for this week. Okay. So if we look at this here, guys, I'm going to put the full extension on here. So you could actually see that this whole move, it's kind of scary. This whole move right here, before all of the news, was an exact measured move. Okay. So you see here, came down 786, went to the 786 extension. And then from the 786 extension, you could already see we started to sell off on the Friday, and now the gap down. Sometimes it makes me wonder if like these things are already planned, you know. Not talking about this particular news event in general, guys, but a lot of times you'll see these gaps coming in on the chart from these algo points like this. Look at this, 786 to 786, and then gap down. Just makes you wonder sometimes what really goes on in this market. Hit me with the 20 if you understand what I'm saying. And there's always something, right? There's always going to be some kind of catalyst. It could be COVID. It could be, you know, a trade war. It could be anything. There's always something in the market. That's why it's important to take profits when you can and trail, you know. So I did a trail stop loss, and I'm still happy to be up $5,000. And I'm not going to, you know, say I woulda, shoulda, coulda. I'm just going to be okay with that, and I'm going to move on to the next setup. But it just makes you wonder sometimes when you see these Fibonacci play out so perfectly, and you see gaps in the market after those Fibonacci's. It makes you just wonder, you know, does somebody know about these things before it even happens? You know. Anyways, so let's continue. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this low anchor and I'm going to move all the way up to this high right here. So this is the bigger picture Fibonacci right here. And I'm just going to swap over to the basic. And what I'm really looking for now is this 618 right here. So this is the only key level left for the bulls. I want to see this area right here, guys, how we react. Okay. So I'm going to be hunting that. There's also this open gap here now, which gaps in the market, guys, are very important as well. So we have two spots of interest. We have the 618 and we have this gap. So I'll be hunting that tomorrow and with the Fibonacci Society, and just looking for a nice little play here. Worst case, re-enter, lose $2,000 or $3,000 or maybe less, $1,500, but still have $5,000 of room to play with. So that's the key. With the $5,000, I should have probably 3 shots. So I should have 3 more trades that I can take before I break even. And that's the way that I like to trade, is when I hit a winner, it needs to cover me for a few more trades. Okay. Hit me with a 6 if that makes sense. If you hit a winner and it can't cover your next few trades, then you're not trading with optimal risk to reward. And what you're doing actually is inverted risk to reward. And in the long run, guys, it's going to be extremely difficult for you to make money. All right. Okay. All right, guys. So just wanted to show you now, a lot of people have been asking me about the Fibonacci Society. So the game plan here is I am showing my P&L here, and I'm showing these trades that I'm taking. These are only swing plays. Okay. So if you're in the Fibonacci Society, it's a lot of swing plays. Okay. And you can scalp. A lot of people are scalping in the lounge. They are scalping. Okay. We also have the newsletter, which basically goes through everything in detail. So if you want to come just for the education, guys, this alone is just amazing. Okay. Detail, step by step with the screenshots. Okay. And then the mystery school, I'm working on it. And then the book, you can go ahead and download. You can download the book right here. Okay. All right, guys. So there we go. So that's the plan for this week. Let's see. And right now, I'm just going to be patient. And overnight, a lot of things can happen. So just be careful here. And we do have this Nirvana pattern. If anyone wants to take an aggressive trade, right here, this is one of our patterns here. Short below the low, long above the high, and put the stop loss on the other side of the bar if you want to be aggressive. That is a potential setup as well. But I will not be taking that one. Waiting for that bigger picture play. Guys, the seminar is coming up soon. October 15th. All right, where is it? Right here, guys. So next Sunday is the seminar at 3 o'clock Eastern. I'm going to walk you through my 100% win streak that I had late September that we crushed it, absolutely crushed it, okay? And I'm going to open up the broker and I'm going to show you step by step. Anyone with a green in their name right now, if you're part of the Trading Wars Army, will get the link to the seminar for free. So if you have a green in your name, hit me with a 5. Let me put you up on the screen. So it's $4.99 to join the Trading Wars Army, guys. And not only do you get the seminar, but every single day I post really exclusive picks, setups, etc. So right here, if you go to the membership tab for the Trading Wars Army, you can see every single day I post full spreadsheets, option setups. I also post swing trades, different things, guys, that are very exclusive. So all you have to do, here's the video that you're watching right now. So I'll click on that. Click the join button right there. Okay, it's $4.99. You get all the perks, and then go to membership, and I will post a seminar probably Wednesday or Thursday. Okay, I'll post the link to the seminar. So like last time, I'll show you. Make sure you check the membership tab, okay, guys, because sometimes you're not going to get alerted unless you have the alerts, the bell on. So turn the bell on. So let me see. Limited edition seminar. Oh, that's good. So I'm trying to find the last seminar link here. I just want to show you guys how it looks. So when you see it, you know. Here we go. So this was the last seminar. Comes with the Zoom link and everything like that. So stay on the lookout for this. Okay. So Trading Wars Army. So I'm going to go $4.99. Yes. I'm going to go into this broker and I'm going to walk you guys through how to put the trades in and do a little bit more detail step by step. Okay. And as always, guys, check me out. Tradingwars.com. The Fibonacci Society is launched. Right now, for a limited time, I'm doing lifetime access, okay? Because I really want to get the Fibonacci Society off the ground. It's $149.99 for the book, and it comes with lifetime access to the society right here, guys. And you're going to get the 1 month for free in the spy room as well. So it's a nice little bonus there, okay? So I might not keep it lifetime forever. So if you want to join the lifetime access, go ahead right now, $149.99. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to try to give some more updates throughout the week, but right now, I want the dust to settle. I want the dust to settle before I take another trade. You know, every time I'm taking these trades with these bigger time frames, I'm risking a lot of capital, and I want to make sure that it's a good setup. I don't want to just take every and any setup. So I'm just going to be patient and check it out. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and let's do a giveaway to wrap this up. Yeah. For some reason, some people say sometimes it shows $6.99. I'm not sure why, unless you're maybe using a different currency, or I don't know if that's YouTube's fee, but you can see under my channel right here, guys. If you click the join right there, it's $4.99 for a bit. That's the price that I set, so I'm not sure. So anyways, here we go, guys. So here's the videos. This one right here was really, really good. The last live video we did that did really good was this Tesla setup here. I want you guys to check this one out because we were really able to crush Tesla. This was just a massive, massive Tesla play. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and send this link in here. Leave a comment on this video right now and you'll have a chance to win the giveaway. So I'm going to give away a book and lifetime access. So there's not too many comments on here, so you guys have a good chance to win. So 29 comments right now. Hit me with a 7 when you're done with the comments, and then we'll pick a giveaway winner. Okay. So otherwise than that, Just looking back on last week, if I was able to catch this short, it was really nice. The only problem is, look at this candle, guys. 5 in the morning. Okay. So 5 in the morning is this. It's when they hit the 618 and they bring it down. Hit me with the 4 if you see that. You know, and that's crazy, right? Because a lot of times, like, look what's happening here, guys. 4, 5, 6 in the morning. It's when they're making the decision to run it down. You can see it on the chart when you look at the 618. So it's wild. It's really wild. It's impressive, actually, because, you know, if you can master this and if you can show up every single day, guys, there's always opportunities. And I'm just grateful that I was able to take this one this long. I'm grateful that I was able to take that one and have a good run there. I wish that we didn't have this gap down, but that's out of my control. So the goal is really, if we have 3 Fibonacci trades a week, if we had 3 Fibonacci trades a week, how many of those 3s do we need to win in order to make a profit? Let's think about that, okay? So say we take 3 Fibonacci trades. All right, so let's go write that down here. 3 fibs. How many do we need to win to profit? What do you think? Let's talk about this. So tell me right now, 0, 1, 2, or 3. Shoot it in the chat right now. 0, 1, 2, or 3. How many? So the way that I trade Fibonacci, guys, is I try to get 3 to 1. Okay, 2 to 1 is good as well, but I try to get 3 to 1. Okay, so if we're getting 3 to 1, let's do it like this. So loss 100 on the first trade, 100 on the second trade, and then on the third trade, win 300. That's the goal right there. Okay, just try to have that good risk to reward. Okay, that's what we're trying to go for. So that's the thing, because you could see with these setups here, when you get a good one like this one right here, this one ran for about 5 or 6 times your money. This one ran for about 5 or 6 times your money. If you trade like that, then you could lose the next 10 trades and still make money, still be break even. Okay, hit me with the 6 if that makes sense. That's important. And when I do the fib, I'm getting in down here instead of getting in up here. So if I get in down here for long, I'm going to have a better chance to make more money than getting up here. And this is even more important when you're trading options. If you're going to do options, you need to really look at the pullback, because if you chase the breakout and you're wrong, you could blow up your account. All right, so here we go. So we have 59 comments. Okay. Doesn't look like 59. I think some of it are my comments. Yeah, so it looks like I commented about 7 or 8 times. Okay, so let's do it at, okay, let's see how many times I commented, because I think my comments count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 comments. So 50. Okay, so we're going to do a random number between 1 to 50. Here we go. All right, guys, send me the drum roll, please. Refresh. Okay, let me refresh one more time. $55. Didn't it just say 59? I'll refresh one more time. $56. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna do 1 to 50. All right, guys, hit me with the drum roll. Let's go. 46. I'm gonna kill myself. I gotta count this. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna count in my head, guys. Six, 30, 40, 46. Is that right? Did I say 46? Boom. Okay, guys. So here is the winner, Nikki Vanti right here. Nikki Vante, 2 days ago, member for 6 months. Nikki, if you're watching the stream right now, you are the winner, my friend. Thank you so much for your support for the 6 months in the Army. I'll see you at the seminar, and I'm going to get you your book for free and your lifetime access to the Fibonacci Society. Nikki, email me, rich@tradingwars.com. Hey, here we go. Michael, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my brother. Guys, let's welcome Michael with the TW Army Spy VIP. Next Sunday is the seminar, guys. Make sure you guys show up, guys. I have a lot. Actually, let me give you a sneak peek. Okay, hold on. Let me stop sharing my screen for 1 sec. Let me give you a sneak peek of the seminar. I think you guys will like it. So hold on, guys. Pulling this up. All right. Give me 1 sec, guys. I'm just going to show you what I have prepared. I'm not 100% done yet, but I'll show you what I have for now. All right, here we go. Boom. Okay, guys. So this is what I have prepared for the seminar so far. These are actual real trades that I took in the Discord. And you could see right here for September, 7 wins, 8 losers, 47% win rate, 12.1 R, $4,934. This was great bouncing back after August. But you could see right here, guys, with the risk to reward, even though in August lost 5, coming back at 12.1. So August was our first red month for the year and just bouncing back really well in September. And I wanted to show you the September trades here. These ones, look at this win streak at the bottom here, guys. Boom. So this was on 1 day as well. So we had 6 winning days in a row. Okay. So really nice. So I'm going to go and open up the broker and show you guys how to put these trades in. And we're going to have some more exclusive one-on-ones. So if that interests you and you want to see more, join the Army, guys. And I'll see you on the seminar next Sunday. Hit me with a 6 on the way out. Thank you for your time. And I'll try to catch you guys sometime midweek. All right? Let's go, guys. Have a great weekend. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Always have a chance to win the giveaway. Check me out, tradingwars.com, Fib Society, lifetime access. All right, guys? Take care.